then you write it down. Then at the end, when you are doing the answers, the correct answer is the answer that is going to the majority.
Breakfast of champions.
Let's say we
Nope.
yes,
So Liz is having.
A spicy Bloody Mary.
something.
Let's see what she thinks.
The next one.
That's good.
Huh?
Very good.
We get to see you and say thank you to the people who come and visit us again and again and again. A huge thank you. Also, I always like to say it, you are the people that do the extra advertising. Shaquille O'Neal does great TV commercials. He's very funny. But when it comes to getting people to cruise for their first time, when it comes to getting people to come out and join us who have never gone on a cruise before, the people who get those people to move that extra little inch and to come out and join us are the ones like you.
How you doing? All right. Did you nap? No. We watched a movie. Come on. Oh, come on.
This is one of those events where we get to spend a little bit of time and also say thank you to all you people who do so much for our world and for our country. The Army! And also lovelies, we're singing your song. I told you we were singing outside. I hope you've been practicing. I'm kidding, it's on the screen, just read it. And the Army was going along. Beverage you get with them. And also don't forget to get your souvenir pin with us as you're exiting. Thank you for coming out, everybody. One more time, let's hear it for our veterans.
Oh, me. Hi. Hi, how you doing?
Hey, how are you? You doing good? Yes.
Doing good?
Doing good. Yes.
This man does everything. Everything.
Yes.
Clean. He's got it.
You want to take a picture together?
No, okay.
Alright, we're gonna do a picture together.
Alright.
What did you do? What? You ain't do nothing but say yes and okay. That's all he did back there. Was he in the picture?
If I don't say check, she won't pay you. Right? So I say main thing, check.
What am I doing? 40 for me, right?
Look at that, we got the dealers in.
Did you even look at your cards?
Yeah.
Oh.
I was. Yes.
Let's see.
Oh my God! Look at all the birds.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa! Oh,
Did you
schmuck.
get that?
I got it. Oh, we got birdies. All the birds.
That's a bird.
They're chirping. Oh shoot! We got some lightning.
Oh, I see.
We got the birdies. Nothing. Oh!
Oh, you get that?
Yeah.